Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. If you want to restore your deleted messages on your Android and you're looking out a method to do so, today we are going to guide you through the process for that. So let's just dive right in and get started. Start by opening up the messaging application on your device for that. So once you open up the messaging application, you just need to look out for the more options. Usually in the top right corner, you should be finding a three dot, tap on it, and then access the menu right there. After you access it, select the option of trash or the recycle bin. You just need to tap on it. And then there you should be finding all of the messages available. Now, if you want to restore it, you just need to touch and hold the message that you want to recover. And then once you find the message, you just need to look out for the restore option in the bottom left corner and tap on it. And when you do, the message will be restored and there will be no conversation left in your recycle bin. This is one of the method you can follow up to restore the deleted messages on your Android device. You can just go over and follow it up. If not this, you can restore it from a cloud backup sometimes. If your messages are no longer in the app's recycle bin, you can try storing them from a cloud backup. So you can go over to your settings, and once you go to your settings app, you can scroll down and look out for the Google option and tap on it and access your Google services right there. After you go over here, look out for the all services and tap on it. And within all services, you need to scroll down and look out for the option for backup. So go ahead and tap on backup. And you need to back up your data here. You can select the option of backup now from here. And while the backup is done, you need to include the data from your messaging application as well. So you can just go over and do so and do so. And once you sign in with your Google account and select the relevant backup to restore your data, including the deleted messages, you should be able to restore your deleted messages on your Android. And apart from that, if you have no backup, usually the messages will be deleted forever. So you need to have a backup and you can try out this method to restore your deleted messages on your Android. So we hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.